Now, Shafi is a young guy. He came to us at last year when he was 16 years old. He came to us with a swelling and pain in his thigh, which was diagnosed to be a kind of a cancer. So he had received his initial treatment back home in Kenya.
Greetings, everybody. My name is Shafi Abdiyare, and I'm from Kenya. I came here for treatment. My problem was difficulty in walking and running, difficult to sleep at night. How I came to find about this hospital was I had a friend in India. He talked about with him, and then he introduced us to this hospital, which I'm glad about it. I first met Dr. Rohit, and then he found the problem.
And when he came to us, we did the whole evaluation. We did a multidisciplinary complete checkup and evaluation, and we found out that he had an osteosarcoma of the distal femur. Now, this needed chemotherapy for a few sessions to control the size of the tumor, and then we planned for the surgical excision of the tumor.
And then he told me to go to Dr. Sani, which he recommended me, and chemotherapy, which I took it for 9 rounds. And then we did surgery, which was implant.
We took out the whole of the tumor during the surgery and replaced it with a special customized tumor prosthesis.
After surgery, now I'm feeling good. The staff was helping too, all the nurses and the doctors too. They were very helping and welcoming. Alhamdulillah, thanks to Allah, and thanks to the two of my doctors who helped me.
So now here he is back with us a year on after the surgery, doing very well. His tumor has thankfully not recurred, and he's walking very well. He's able to enjoy his life and do almost all of his activities without any discomfort. So here is one thankful patient, and we are glad that we could be able to help him in his road to recovery.